Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the one of the frequently asked question in JNTU exam for Form D. Give an account on the microscopy and powder characteristics of coriander and fennel. Right? Since both are fruit, the drug, the part it is fruit and both belong from the volatile oil, right? Both are volatile oil containing crude drugs, right? So when we are describing, uh, first of all, we need to write something about the particular. Suppose if you are attempting first question coriander. So coriander, it is dried fruits of coriandrum sativum lin, right? That is the biological source which belongs to the family Umbelliferae, right? So generally, if you talk about the histology, the first when you are describing microscopy, first you need to write about the transverse section of coriander fruit. So under histology, you can see here into the image, these are the different parts which you are going to observe and which you are going to describe under microscopy or transverse section of coriander fruit. The first one, it is there, you can see secondary reeds, epicarp is there, mesocarp, then outer layer of mesocarp is there, vascular bundle is there, right? Endocarp, testa, middle layer of mesocarp, endosperm, and the inner layer of mesocarp, right? Three part it has been divided in mesocarp. Then coming to the down one, the raphe is there, then the carpophore is there, then vitte is there, right? So let us discuss one by one. The first one, epicarp, right? These are the polygonal cells with occasional stomata and calcium oxalate crystals, right? Second one, mesocarp, inner and outer layer of parenchyma with sclerenchyma in between, right? You here you can see sclerenchyma, these are there in between, right? Then third one, that is the sclerenchyma in tangential and longitudinal bands, right? So that is the style it is going to have into the fruit. The fourth one, that is the vitte, the two vittae on the commissural surface and four lacunae on dorsal surface, right? Here you can see the vittae in the image, you can see here down one vittae it will be there, and this side also, that is called two vittae here and four in the lacunae surface on the dorsal surface, the four lacuna in the dorsal surface here, 1 2 3 and 4. Then endocarp, it is elongated cells forming perquetry layer, right? Sixth one, endosperm, that is cellulosic parenchyma containing oil globules and oleorone grains, right? So this much things you are compulsory you should write along with the image transverse sections. That diagram you need to draw compulsory, right? The coming to the powder characteristic part or powder microscopy of coriander fruit, right? So the mostly here we are going to observe the wavy sclerenchyma, right? You can say here, you can see here wavy sclerenchyma. Then second one, perquetry layer, you can see the perquetry layer how it is going to be into the image. Third one, epidermis, then endosperm with oleorone grains and the xylem vessels, right? So in powder microscopy what we are doing, we are using the powder drug of the coriander fruit into the slide, we have to spread onto the slide, and that slide we are observing under microscope. So whatever the thing we have observed into the ts of the coriander fruit, the same thing we are going to observe, but it will be in the dispersed form, or there will be the distance between one particle to another particle of the powder drug, right? So this is the ts and powder you can have for the coriander fruit. Then coming to the next in the part of your question, that is the fennel fruit, right? So fennel fruit, it is the dried fruit of Phaeniculaum vulgar Miller, belong to the family Umbelliferae, right? This fruit also belong from the Umbelliferae family. So coming to the transverse section of the fennel fruit, so here also we are going to have the image of the transverse section for the fennel fruit, that is going to the almost same like coriander only. So here also you can see into the image, epicarp is there, mesocarp is there, vitతే also present here, raphe is there, carpophore is there, endosperm is there. From the left side, primary ridge, vascular bundles, right? Five vascular bundles are there. Then reticle parenchyma is there, endocarp, test also it is there, right? So how we are going to describe it one by one, histology or microscopy of fennel fruit. The first one, epicarp. These are polygonal cells showing a few stomata. Second one, mesocarp. In the region of primary reeds, five vascular bundles with reticulate lignified parenchyma. That's what we have seen in the image. Have the above and below. Okay. Then third characteristic, what you are going to observe, four vittae on the dorsal surface, this side, this side, and two on the commissural surface, this bottom one, right? Then endocarp, narrow elongated cells showing the perquatry arrangement. Then fifth one, endosperm. It is these are the cellulosic parenchyma with oil globules and oleurone grains, right? So this much things you can describe. Then coming to the powder microscopy or powder characteristics of fennel fruit. So again we have to crush the fennel fruit, we have to make it into the powder form by the help of pestle mortar, mixer or grinder or something like that. Then we have to spread onto the slide and we are going to observe. So what are the things we are going to observe? The first one, reticulate lignified parenchyma, right? So here you can see the how it is going to look like in your microscope, a reticulate lignified parenchyma. Then second one, vittae also you can observe. Third one, perquatry layers also can be visible in this kind of broken form. Endosperm also you can see how the endosperm you have seen into the ts of the fennel. Then xylem vessels also it will be visible as it was there in the fruit, right? So likewise you can describe, you can write the uses also. These the volatile, since these are the volatile oil containing crude drugs, this can be used as a carminative and aromatic, both fruit, that is the common aromatic or flavoring agent, that is the common use for both the fruit, and in both the place you can write this use, right? So since the question is give an account on microscopy and powder characteristic of coriander and fennel, right? So instead of writing so many other things like geographical source, chemical constants and all those other description, you have to focus on the transverse section of fennel and coriander and powder characteristics of fennel and coriander. Thank you.